Hi there, Tara here from Remax with some essential springtime maintenance tips to keep your home in tip-top shape this season. First up, keep an eye out on the roof. Look for shingles, look for any leaks inside the attic. A small repair now can save you plenty of dollars later. Next, let's make sure our gutters are clean and free of any leaves or twigs, so that keeps the water flowing free and away from the house. Feeling a draft? Check your doors and your windows for any air leakage or water leakage to stop that cold air from coming in. Replace any worn weather stripping to keep those drafts out, and it'll make such a difference on those energy bills. Make sure you inspect your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. It's a very simple step and safety first. Lastly, if you have a chimney, get it cleaned. It's all about efficiency and preventing hazards. I'm not going to clean this, right? My husband will. Well, there you have it. There's some quick tips for springtime maintenance. If you'd like more content like this, click like and subscribe, and we'll see you later.